Hello my art viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the Art of Inside Impressions and this is artist Bhavna. And I'm finally done with this project, so I'm just explaining how I could do this. So this hair is done using the graphite powder applied and then use Tombow Mono Zero eraser on it to get this sharp look, and in between I used different grades of pencil to show the hairy look. So this messy effect and all I created using 0.3 mechanical pencil and Tombow Mono Zero eraser to get the white highlights. And the sand look where I couldn't erase using the Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and the areas which are really dark I use the electric eraser to give this. And these holes are done using, first I just extracted the charcoal powder. On it I applied 10B grade, and on it again I applied charcoal powder so that it will get the dark and black look. And this, you can see the sandstones, right? So on face it is really easy to erase using the Tombow Mono Zero eraser. I erased in this way. So here the shadows will play definitely good role, so you need to always make sure you are providing shadows correctly and properly in order to look like sand granules. Okay, so if you really want anything from this, I mean if you really want to learn anything which you couldn't learn, you can really comment below and I'll make a separate video. Okay, so make sure you are commenting below. And yes, always observe the shadows and then do it. So for every granule you need to provide this shadow. Then the hand. So the most important part in this portrait is hand, and it is really time taking process. It is really difficult than the skin on the face. Hand texture is really complicated, and I used this combination of all H grades I'm having, so 4H, 3H, 2H and H. And yeah, I'll share the hand process, but I couldn't record this. I'll do a separate video on it, so don't worry. And the texture, these lines using Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and it is really important to balance the tones. And then talking about the dress, this dress is really important because you can only see the minimal part and you need to invest more time. So here the outlines are done using H grade pencil, and I just fill the graphite powder extracted from 2B on the layer of the H grade outlines. So then I really blend it properly, and then I'm dabbing like this so that you can see the blurry effect, right? So you can create that. And talking about the white part of this hair, so this is known as highlighted hair, and this is really important to get the more realistic look. I'll be sharing all the pictures and videos, and thanks for watching. Stay connected.